Hello everyone, and welcome to the What's New in Sound Particles 2 series of tutorials. In this video, I want to talk about CGI integration. This feature allows you to control sounds using 3D information from visual effects. This type of information is usually contained inside an FBX file that includes 3D objects and virtual cameras. Sound particles will import and represent each object with particles, and render everything with a virtual microphone simulating the camera movement. Let's check it out. First, we need to open an empty project. Then, we need to import our CGI information. Here, we have our objects. Let's import them all. Let's change this to millimeters to keep the spacecrafts close together. We can represent the spacecrafts with audio tracks, particle groups, or particle emitters. Let's choose audio tracks and import them. As you can see, our objects were imported. We have 6 particles representing the 6 objects, and we have the microphone representing the camera. Now, we need to import a video reference to make sure everything is synced. We need to change the 3D view to the point of view of the camera. As you can see, everything is synced up. Now it's time to import the audio files for each spacecraft. Now we have everything we needed to start our render. It was easy to transform 3D information into this render. We simply changed this sound to a highly complex sound using CGI information. And that was it. Thank you all for watching. To keep up with the news, don't forget to follow us on social media. For more tutorials like this one, subscribe to our channel. I hope to see you in the next video, and don't forget, always unleash your creativity with sound particles.